preparation, that is the preparation number 2 on the inorganic practical. Preparation number 2. Now, what is the name of this preparation? Actually, ही जी प्रिपरेशन आहे यावर सुद्धा MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन राहणार आहे, ठीक आहे, या प्रिपरेशनवर. आणि आता मी जे तुम्हाला या MCQ आपलं त्या प्रिपरेशनचे जे काही सांगणार आहे ते तुम्हाला डिटेल ऐकायचं आहे, कारण यावरच प्रश्न राहणार, यावरच तुमचे प्रॅक्टिकल एक्झामचे क्वेश्चन्स राहणार. नाउ व्हॉट इज द एम ऑफ दिस प्रिपरेशन और व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन? काय प्रिपरेशनचं काय नाव? द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ hexaamine nickel 2 chloride. What is the aim or what is the name of the preparation or what is the preparation? कुछ है preparation of hexaamine nickel 2 chloride. हा कॉम्प्लेक्स जो आहे, हा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे, हा तुम्हाला काय करायचा आहे? प्रिपेअर करायचा आहे. हा कॉम्प्लेक्स मला प्रिपेअर करायचा आहे. नाउ याच्याबद्दल थोडी माहिती सांगून देतो. व्हॉट इज द मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला ऑफ दिस हेक्सामिन निकेल 2 क्लोराइड? स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट, सेंट्रल मेटल आयन इज निकेल इज द सेंट्रल मेटल आयन. हेक्सामिन इज 6 अमोनिया, ओके, क्लोराइड, and 2 plus 2 is the oxidation state of nickel. Nickel is in plus 2 oxidation state in this complex. Nickel is in the plus 2 oxidation state in this complex. And what is the coordination number? I have told you in the theory classes, the coordination number are the number of ligands surrounding the central metal ion. Number of ligands that surrounding the central metal ion, that is called the coordination number. And here you find the 6 ammonia ligand are going to surround this central metal ion, that is nickel, and so the coordination number is 6. Coordination number of this complex is 6. And when there is a coordination number is 6, then we accept which geometry? We accept which geometry? The geometry of the complex is octahedral. This complex possesses the octahedral geometry, or these have a octahedral geometry. And when there is octahedral geometry, then which is the hybridization? Konsa hybridization asते? Hybridization. What is the hybridization of this complex? So when there is octahedral geometry, then we accept again what? sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization. You may count 3p orbital, 2d orbital, 3 plus 2 5, and 1 s orbital. Total 6. So octahedral geometry, sp3d2 hybridization, okay, and the coordination number is 6. Nickel is in plus 2 oxidation state. Nickel is in plus 2 oxidation state in this complex. हेच प्रश्न यावरच MCQ राहणार आहे. What is the oxidation state of nickel in this complex? What is the coordination number? What is the geometry? What is the hybridization? Okay. Now, the geometry. Let us draw the geometry of this complex. That is the hexaamine nickel 2 chloride. How we can draw the geometry? Actually, it is the octahedral geometry. I have told you octahedral geometry. How is the octahedral geometry? The central metal ion nickel. It is in what state? It is in plus 2 oxidation state. And 6 ammonia ligand are surrounding this central metal ion. 6 ammonia ligand. 4 ligand in the plane. Suppose this is nickel. 1 ammonia here, second here, third ammonia here, fourth here. 1 above the plane and 1 below the plane. 1 ammonia above the plane and 1 is below the plane. And this is the what? Octahedral geometry. Means this complex possesses which geometry? Octahedral geometry. Actually, this need not to be tell you, because as I have already told you in this in my theory classes. This all the information I have told you in my theory classes. Just I am going to tell you the slight information about this. Okay, because the MCQ will be based on this. MCQ will be based on this. And now we will go in the laboratory and we will see some demonstration how to prepare this complex. That is the examine nickel 2. Sorry to identify the color. So student, let us see how to prepare this complex, that is hexaamine nickel 2 chloride. For that, what chemicals and instrument and glassware we require? We require first the nickel chloride. See, you can see the nickel chloride. This is the box of nickel chloride. NaCl2 6H2O. It means it is a hexahydrate. I can open this and you may see the nickel chloride. This is the nickel chloride. Okay. This is green in color. This is the green in color. Now, for that we require 2 gram of nickel chloride. We will take 2 gram of nickel chloride. We will take it by measuring on the balance 2 gram of nickel chloride. Okay, this is the green color nickel chloride. Now, we will take in one beaker. Now, we have added some water to make the solution of this nickel chloride. Stir it well until the transparent solution is formed. Okay, you have to stir it very long to get the transfer solution. Now, this is the nickel chloride solution. Okay. Now, in that we have to add the liquor ammonia. Liquor ammonia. Here is what liquor ammonia. We will add 5 ml of liquor ammonia drop by drop in this beaker in the solution of this nickel chloride. After adding the drop by drop liquor ammonia solution or liquor ammonia in this solution, and after that, after adding the liquor ammonia to that solution, we have to add ammonium chloride. We have to add some ammonium chloride so that the violet color precipitate of the complex will be formed. Violet color precipitate of the complex will be formed. तर तुम्हाला कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी घ्यायच्या यामध्ये? तुम्हाला सर्वप्रथम निकेल क्लोराइडचं सोल्युशन बनवायचं आहे. निकेल क्लोराइडचं एक सोल्युशन बनवायचं आहे. त्यामध्ये 5 ml लिक्विड अमोनिया हा ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप टाकायचा आणि स्टर करत राहायचा आहे. स्टर करत राहायचा आहे आणि त्यानंतर त्या सोल्युशनमध्ये अमोनियम क्लोराइड टाकायचा. त्यामध्ये काय टाकायचं तुम्हाला? अमोनियम क्लोराइड. अमोनियम क्लोराइड तुम्ही डायरेक्टली सॉलिडमध्ये टाकू शकता किंवा अमोनियम क्लोराइडचं एक सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन बनवून तुम्ही यामध्ये ते टाकू शकता. अँड ॲट द लास्ट यू विल फाइंड द व्हायलेट कलर्ड precipitate and that violet color precipitate will be of your complex, that is the hexaamine nickel 2 chloride. And after that, after getting the precipitate, you will filter it with the filter paper, and this is the funnel. You will use the filter paper, and after filtering you will find the precipitate on the filter paper, and that is of your complex. You have to dry it with the use of some more filter paper and wet it, and in this way you will complete your preparation, that is of hexaamine nickel 2 chloride.